This is the EOD application here. We weld this unit onto the side of an existing dock. You can see here we've got metal embedded into the edge of the concrete, and that's critical for us to be able to weld this to the frame of that angle. This is a 66-inch wide plate. It's 90 inches overall, including the bumpers. The bumpers come with the EOD. It's all one piece. We level it out and weld it to the edge of the existing dock. This particular unit is a 20,000 pound capacity, manufactured by Bluff. It works very well. It's easy to operate. This handle, you pull it up and it locks in, and it allows you to flip it back, and the plate actually enters right into the bed of the trailer. Gives a nice, safe, effective way of loading and unloading trailers.